To comply or send him to jail right away. Enough.
The appeal is pending. Kindly consider.
I don't care if the appeal is pending. You're an officer of court.
Yes,
your responsibility first is to ensure that court's orders are absolutely carried out to the T.
Absolutely.
Why haven't you done it?
Absolutely, my lord.
Don't test my patience.
No. Kindly don't be so harsh upon me, my lord.
Harsh?
No.
But harsh.
My lord.
For 10 years, you've not complied with the order of the High Court. 10 years. And you're telling me you're being harsh?
On the last occasion, due to my fault, the number was wrong. I quoted the wrong CPAN number. That's why all this has happened.
Quoted the wrong CPAN number where?
I have been instructed to appear in a CPAN. This is that CPAN, but the number was wrongly sent to me that 217 of 2017. And another thing is, this person who is before lordship, he is no longer the DI of. He is not the holding that post right now.
Just 1 week, last 1 week he has been released. But
yes,
at the time of issuance of rule, he was.
Yes, I'm not saying that he was not there.
Yeah, so just 1 week he has been transferred.
Yes. So what was he supposed to do?
We have preferred an appeal.
Grant the pensionary benefits.
We have preferred an appeal. We have mentioned the appeal. It has not.
When has the appeal been preferred?
Mother times. He took time on 7th February 2023.
It's an order of 23rd of September 2015.
Yes, at
on 2017 we filed an appeal, and 2017.
And then what?
So then, it has not been listed,
You've not done anything. Yes, you comply.
17.
You comply or send him to jail right away.
And
Enough.
The appeal is pending. Kindly consider.
I don't care if the appeal is pending. You're an officer of court.
Yes,
your responsibility first is to ensure that court's orders are absolutely carried out to the T.
Absolutely.
Why haven't you done it?
Absolutely, my lord.
Call him. Call the DI. Where is he?
But he is here,
Ask him why he has not done it.
My lord.
Ask him why he has not complied with this order.
Because the appeal is pending.
What? Show me the law that appeal is pending, he won't comply. Show me.
No, my lord.
I will impose such costs he'd wish he wasn't here. Don't test my patience.
No. Kindly don't be so harsh upon me, my lord.
Harsh?
No.
But harsh.
My lord.
For 10 years, you've not complied with the order of the High Court. 10 years. And you're telling me you're being harsh?
No, my lord.
Why has he not complied? Don't defend him.
No, I'm not
I do not appreciate, and it's not funny. Don't smile. Why has he not complied? I want an explanation right now. Come here. কি ব্যাপার কমপ্লাই করেননি কেন? কে বলেছে আপিল করা থাকলে কমপ্লাই করতে হবে না? কে বলেছে আপনাকে? Yes. Are you going to comply or am I going to take steps?
Kindly give us some time.
No.
For some time is
no.
Otherwise, it will
very well. I'm sending him to jail.
Kindly give us some time to comply, Lord.
I will not. First, you say that I will comply. I want that statement first.
Huh?
By Monday.
Then the person who is now in charge of the district inspector,
he was in charge till 1 week back.
Yes.
Why hasn't he done it?
It's mistake on his part, Lord.
Say that.
It's a mistake.
Don't give me excuses.
No. It's not.
You've been giving excuses.
No.
Yes. Don't say no.
If that is, Lord, I must bow down to your lordship. It's a mistake on his part. Admittedly, it's a mistake on his part, Lord.
Who is the present DI?
Well, I am giving the name. Miss
Suniti Sanfui.
You implead this
Yes,
person. The district inspector of school. Appreciate. I can understand them.
No, I am
You're
not
an officer of court. You're giving excuses on his behalf. He's being emboldened.
No.
Because yes, don't say no. Don't say no. First, listen to the court.
Yes,
and don't laugh. It's not funny.
No, I'm not.
I don't know why you're laughing. What's the joke in this court?
No, 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 no.
Then why are you
no.
laughing?
Brother, I must not say further anything. I must not say further.
Because you take his side, they are getting emboldened. There are matters where there are people coming and questioning the High Court's order. District Inspector of Schools is saying there's a wrong order. I won't comply. Is this the manner the High Court is supposed to function?
It is a mistake on his part.
Help us, help us. We need help from the bar. Don't take their side. 10 years, he hasn't complied.
In the eye of law, no appeal, because section 5, 2017. And earlier occasion,
2017, you filed an appeal. 8 years. 8 years. You've done nothing. And you're saying because the appeal is pending, I won't do it. Yes, call on the next matter.
Great.